Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeoma, onye na-akụzi Igbo. Hi, my name is Ijeoma. I'm an Igbo language coach. Okay, so today I'll be discussing the 5 steps that I typically take my clients from the beginner to becoming a confident Igbo speaker. Okay, so as an Igbo language coach, my clients are typically people who didn't learn Igbo when they were growing up, and now they are grown up, they have children of their own, or they're about to have children of their own, and they desperately want to speak Igbo. One, to connect with their roots, to connect with their identity, and secondly, maybe to connect with their partner who's also Igbo, and then thirdly, they want to pass it on to the children and keep Igbo language alive. They don't want the Igbo language to die with their generation. They want Igbo language to keep living on. So these are my clients. So if that is you, keep listening. Okay, and so how do I take my clients from beginner to becoming a confident Igbo speaker? So there is this 5 steps, and number 1 step is that we talk and we get clear on your why. Okay, so when I speak with you, we get clear on why you're learning Igbo. Okay, because what I don't want to do is to coach somebody that doesn't really want to learn. Okay, somebody that just feels is nice, or just that keeps saying it but without really meaning to do it. Okay, but if you have like a really strong why, then I know you're committed. Okay, so my clients typically, for example, their whys would be, oh, my husband is Igbo. Okay, I really want to speak Igbo so I can connect with him. And my parents also were Igbo and they can speak Igbo. I would really want to connect with them on another level. And then my children, I want to teach them Igbo. Can you see? So they just give me these clear reasons why. And if it's not clear, we dig deep until we find a clear reason why they have to learn Igbo. Okay? Or maybe they're just the only person left to pass on this language. There's nobody else that's going to, otherwise the Igbo language won't be alive in their family anymore. Okay, so get clear on why you want to learn the Igbo language. That's the number 1 step. The number 2 step that I take you through is we get clear on your goals. Okay, so I have my clients again as an example. If it's a total beginner, they might tell me, I want to learn Igbo, so I want, in the next 3 months, I want to be able to hold a 2-minute conversation in Igbo. I want to understand and I want to be understood. Simple. That's a very clear, realistic goal. And if you're further along in your Igbo speaking journey, your goal might be, I want to get to being able to hold a 15-minute conversation in Igbo confidently. All right. And then even if you're further along even, then it might be, I want to get to fluency in 6 months, something like that. Okay. So you have those goals, and then I'll help you break them down into monthly goals. Okay. Then we'll break them down into the conversations that you're actually having. What sort of topics would you normally discuss with your family? Is it food? Is it politics? Is it sports? You just break it down to those goals, and you break it down further to weekly goals. Okay, and we actually write out the topics, and then I make a conversation script, okay, of those topics. And then when we get on live, which will bring me to the 3rd way that I get my clients to confident speaking, which is actually to get speaking. Okay, so number 1 way was we get clear on why you're learning Igbo. Number 2, we get clear on your goals. Number 3, you actually start speaking. Okay, and that's why the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is called Igbo Speakers, not Igbo Learners or anything, because the goal is to get you speaking, and you need to believe you call yourself an Igbo speaker. So it's Igbo Speakers Bootcamp. So that's stage 3 or step 3. We get you speaking. When you come on the live sessions, that's what we do. We speak and we speak and we speak more. And when you go home, you go and go through the videos and all the learning materials. When you come on live again, if you have any questions, you ask. Otherwise, it's again speaking Igbo and speaking Igbo. And I would normally encourage you to get another person as well, maybe your family member or your friend that you practice with when you're not speaking on the live sessions. Okay, so that's step 3, speaking. And what is the step 4? Step 4 is then we reflect. Okay, so when you come on my client, we reflect on how far you've come, what were your favorite moments, how do you learn best? Was it the videos? Was it the live sessions? Was it the audio material? Is it the written? And whichever one is best for you, we then make a plan of how you will continue speaking, which is then number 5. Can you see how the steps flow? So number 1, we got clear on why. Number 2, we are on your goals. Number 3, we got you speaking. Number 4, we reflect on your learning methods, which then brings us to number 5, because then when you leave my sessions, or when we come to the end of 8 weeks of the boot camp, there will be a way for you to carry on learning. Okay, so you know which ways work best for you, and you can continue to use those methods to learn. Okay, so the boot camp is open. So I'll leave a link below the video. Click the link and get on a call with me, because that's how to get in the bootcamp. You get on a call, we talk, and then we make a decision together whether it's a great fit for you, because I don't want you to come into the bootcamp if it's not ideal. So if you're tired of feeling lost, tired of feeling like you don't belong, then schedule a call. Let's talk and get you to confidently speak Igbo, so that you can feel awesome, you can feel proud, you can feel a part of the community, you can feel at home, and then pass on your language to your children. Kode, that's Igbo.